Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and draw on a photo on your iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you would do is simply gonna go ahead first access your phone's photos, right? Go ahead, tap on it. Now here in this section you're simply gonna go ahead, choose yourself a picture. So let's say this is the picture, right? And now we would like to draw on it, so we can simply see this option called edit on top beside this a three dot icon. Go ahead, tap on it, and now this kind of video is gonna pop up. You can see we do have option of adjust, filter, crop, and here in this, if this by default by here in filter section or crop section, make sure you turn this to adjust so the drawing option can appear. You can see adjust, you can see this pencil icon, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will be able to choose a shape for yourself, like whatever the one you want. This is the eraser. When you do something, if I draw, choose this, I will simply draw something, and then this eraser I can simply erase it, and I can choose the size of it, and I can change the color by tapping on this, and I can simply tap on this plus, and I can simply add text, signature, shape, and stickers as well. Once I'm done, if I want to undo this, we can tap on this icon on top, and we can undo that as well. Once we're done, tap on done, and now we can save our particular picture with the drawing on it. So that is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.